So finding Dr. Miller was kind of a godsend.
Each of the people that I've had the pleasure of working with when I've come in these past several visits, they've all been the same way. Very warm, very welcoming, meet you at your level, non-judgmental, and genuinely caring. That comes across in bedside manner, how they interact with you, constantly being sensitive to how are you doing, Tony? How are you feeling? Are you okay? Are you comfortable? Do you have any questions? No pressure. There was not any pressure involved at all.
I would say thank you. Because all of them, especially Dr. Miller, made a huge difference in my life.
The nicest staff I've ever met. Everybody was courteous and kind and helpful. They explained everything step by step what I went through. The help I received seemed genuine, like they genuinely cared about me rather than the next guy waiting to come into my chair.
When I say the work that you do is amazing, I'm talking about the way you interact with patients and the way the team, is like a mirror for each other. That there's this consistency that makes me as a patient feel really safe and well taken care of.
And he was so kind and kind and knowledgeable without that arrogant. I had another word that went with it, but arrogant, something that most doctors carry around with them. He didn't have that. And that was refreshing.
I felt good. My family was excited when they came to pick me up. While I was still healing some and so forth, it was just a little bit later that afternoon, early evening, that I was able to show them my smile, same day, right after having the procedure done. And they were elated. I mean, they couldn't have been more excited and happy for me to see that, wow, Tony has his smile. They gave me my smile back.
And this might be crazy too, but I feel younger. I feel like I've got those white teeth that those kids got. Yeah, I feel good. It feels good.
What I'm surprised by, having gone through the procedure, is how much clearer my head is, how much more rested I feel in the morning when I wake up. My thought processes are faster. Like I feel like I was dealing with a lot of infection, and realizing, seeing on the other side how different I feel mentally and how much better my focus is and my quality of sleep, I'm both surprised and mad at myself that I didn't do it sooner.
I would rather spend the money on my face and my teeth, but be happy that I can smile. Man, I smile, I get compliments. You have the most beautiful smile I've ever seen, the whitest teeth, this and that. And that makes me feel good because for years I could tell that to somebody else.
And I'm just like happy as can be. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm sure I'm smiling more. I mean, just going to the grocery store, people in an aisle, I go, hi, I'm just.
Looking for a reason.
Yes.